Pick it up.
Good lift. 1, 2, out. 3, 4, 5, 6. You got. Okay, you got a lot. You got 40 seconds left. 7, 8. Lock it out. 9, 10. You got 30 seconds left. You got 10 in.
That's my 13, 3.
Come on, come on, come on.
How many you have?
He's got 10 done right now.
Come on.
You got 20 seconds left.
20 seconds.
Come on, come on. 11. 5. 12. Come on, Zach. 13. 14. Come on, you got 5 seconds. 14. I didn't give you one of them because you didn't lock it out.